Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Today, I will teach you English first word, English for today. My dear students of class 8 of Khulliaman Girls High School, today I select a lesson, Unit 5, Lesson 4 from your textbook, and our topic's name, A Man Who Loves Trees. একজন মানুষ যিনি গাছকে ভালোবাসেন। ওকে, লেটস স্টার্ট। A man who loves trees. At the farthest corner of Bangladesh, there is a village called Tarapur. In this village, there lives a man named Karthik Puramanik. He is a hairdresser by profession, but a nature lover at heart. His passion is to plant saplings which grow into gigantic trees. He started planting trees when he was only 10 years old. He remembers what his father once told him, "My son, you can earn the blessings of God by planting trees." He has never forgotten what his father told him. At present, he is 63 years old. He has planted hundreds of trees in his village. Many of the trees are now 35 to 40 years old. Once there were hardly any trees in this village. Karthik used to go to different houses for his job. At times he would get tired in the scorching sun, but there were no trees under which he could sit and rest for a while. Thinking how people suffer in the heat, Karthik began his tree planting mission. Occasionally, Karthik would wake up early in the morning, take one or two laborers with him, and set out to plant trees. He would walk long distances to plant trees, carrying with him some dry food and water. He would pay all the expenses from his own pocket. Karthik has planted trees beside the roads, in and around the bazaar, schools and colleges, open fields, and many other places. At times, it so happened that Karthik would go to water his plants at 10 or 11 p.m. People asked him, "Karthik, are you mad? What are you doing so late at night?" Karthik would smile and say, "What to do, sir? I have to work hard the whole day to earn money for my family. I don't get time during the day, but my trees would die if I don't water them. So I come late at night to look after them." Even today, this old man continues planting trees as many as he can. A man who can hardly sign his name is leaving his signature all around in nature. Okay, I have finished my writing. My dear students, everyone please open your khatha. I give you some vocabulary from this text. Please everyone note down in your khatha. Our first word is different. And the spelling of different is D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Different means bibhinno. And the synonym word of different is separate. S-E-P-A-R-A-T. Separate. Okay. I hope everyone writing. Our next word is gigantic. Gigantic. Gigantic অর্থাৎ রাক্ষসে অথবা প্রকাণ্ড, দৈত্যাকার. You can write anyone, and the synonym word of gigantic is huge. Okay. Our next word is profession. P-R-O-F-E double SION, profession. Profession means pesha, jibika, and our synonym word is livelihood. LIVELIHOOD, livelihood. Okay. Our next word is distance. DISTANCE, distance. Distance means durutto, and the synonym word is space. SPACE, space. Our last word is carry. CARRY, carry. Carry means bohon kora, and the synonym word of carry is pull. PULL, pull. My dear students, I hope you are writing. Now I repeat the words again. Our first word is different. Different means bibinno, and the synonym word of different is separate. Our second word is gigantic, and the synonym word is rakushe ba prakando ba dottakar, and the synonym word is huge. SUGE, huge. Our next word is profession. PROFESSION, profession. Profession means pesha, and the synonym word of profession is livelihood. LIVELIHOOD, livelihood. Our next word is distance. DISTANCE, distance. Distance means durutto, and the synonym word is space. SPACE, space. And our last word is carry. CARRY, carry. Carry means bohon kora, and the synonym word of carry is pull. Okay, my dear students, I have completed my work, and now I give you some question from your textbook, and our first question is choose the best answer. Choose the best answer. His mission is to make the village green by dash, and the options are cultivating paddy, two, growing grass, planting crops, and four, planting many trees. Planting many trees. Our next question: some of Kartik's trees are big and dash, and the option of C, great, to gigantic sea enormous and 4 kingly. Our last question is some of his trees are dash years old, and the options are 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 35 to 40, and option 4 40 to 45. My dear students, I give you some choose the best answers from your textbook. I hope you find out your answer from your textbook. Okay, our first question is Karthik was dash by profession. Karthik was a dash by profession. Our first options is cultivator, and second tree planter, and third option is day laborer, and D hairdresser. Okay, I hope you all know the answer. Karthik was a hairdresser by profession. তিনি একজন নরসুন্দর বা নাপিত ছিলেন, ঠিক আছে। Our second question is his mission is to make the village green by dash, and our options are cultivating paddy, growing grass, planting crops, and planting many trees. Which is the right answer? I hope you know the answer. তিনি পাট চাষ করতেন না, ঘাস চাষ করতেন না, শস্য চাষ করতেন না, তিনি গাছ লাগাতেন। প্লান্টিং মেনি ট্রিজ, তিনি অনেক বৃক্ষ রোপণ করেন। সাম অফ কার্তিকস ট্রিজ আর বিগ অ্যান্ড ড্যাশ, কার্তিকের লাগানো অনেকগুলো গাছ অনেক বড় হয়েছে এবং ড্যাশ, অ্যান্ড দ্য অপশনস আর গ্রেট, জাইগান্টিক, ইনরমাস অ্যান্ড কিংলি। I hope you all know the answer. Some of Karthik's trees are big and gigantic. Okay, বড় এবং দৈত্যাকার হয়েছে, বিশাল হয়েছে কার্তিকের লাগানো গাছগুলো। Our last choose the best answer is some of his trees are dash years old. তার লাগানো কিছু গাছের বয়স 15 থেকে 20 বছর, 20 থেকে 25 বছর, 35 থেকে 40 বছর, নাকি 40 থেকে 45 বছর। I hope you all know the answer, and the answer is 35 to 40 years old. My dear students, I hope you all completed your writings. Now I am going to our second question. Our second question is answer the following question. Okay, my dear students, I give you some question from your textbook. Let's start writing. Our first question is who is Karthik? Who is Karthik? I hope you everyone know the answer. You can find out your answer from your textbook or passage, and the answer is Karthik is a hairdresser by profession. Karthik is a hairdresser by profession who loves nature. কার্তিক একজন নাপিত, প্রফেশন হচ্ছে তার নাপিত, কিন্তু তিনি হচ্ছেন প্রকৃতি প্রেমী, যিনি প্রকৃতিকে খুব ভালোবাসেন। ওকে, আই হোপ ইউ আর রাইটিং And now I am going to our second question. Why did he plant trees? Our next question is, why did he plant trees? I hope you everyone know the answer. Now I help you to give the answer. He planted trees because he loves nature. He planted trees because he loves nature. তিনি গাছ লাগাতে ভালোবাসেন কারণ তিনি প্রকৃতিকে ভালোবাসেন। Now I am going to our third question, and our question is, in which places Karthik plant trees? And our answer is Karthik plants trees beside the roads, bazaar, school and college, open field, and many other places. Karthik plants trees beside the roads, bazaar, school and colleges, open field and many other places. তিনি গাছগুলো রাস্তার পাশে, বাজারের পাশে, স্কুল এবং কলেজের পাশে, খোলা মাঠে এবং বিভিন্ন জায়গায় গাছগুলো রোপণ করতেন। I hope you are writing. Now I am going to our question number 4. Why he would wake up early in the morning? Why he would wake up early in the morning? তিনি কেন সকালবেলা ঘুম থেকে উঠতেন? He would wake up early in the morning to plant trees. He would wake up early in the morning to plant trees. Okay, my dear students, now I am going to our last question, and our question is, when he started planting trees? When he started planting trees, I hope you all know the answer. Okay, I will help you to give the answer. And our last question answer is, he started planting trees when he was 10 years old. He started planting trees when he was 10 years old. তিনি যখন গাছ লাগানো শুরু করেন তখন তিনি 10 বছর বয়সী ছিলেন। My dear students, I hope you all completed your writings. I hope you all enjoying your online classes. Everyone stay at home, stay happy and carry on study at your home. Thank you very much. Goodbye.